take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my.
Hey guys, Sean Terry here, flip2freedom.com. Hope you're doing well. Saturday morning, it's about 8:30 right now. Just came from a killer men's group called Iron Sharpens Iron. We were up there at 7 o'clock. It's awesome up here in Peoria. It's freezing outside right now. So in this video, I want to talk about how to be superhuman in 2024 and how you can go out there and do more, be more successful in 2024 by managing your calendar and what that looks like. So I want to basically give credit to Organize Tomorrow Today. It's a phenomenal book, talks a lot about this, put a little twist on it myself, but that's the premise of what I'm about to talk about. So organizing your calendar. First off, we have to have priorities first, right? What are your priorities? If you have your priorities, and I'll tell you mine here in a second, then that starts in your calendar and kind of everything goes around it. So my priorities are God first, then my family, then my health, then work, then everything else. So when I'm planning my calendar, the first thing that goes in there is my morning ritual. So that goes in my calendar first, morning ritual. That's where I spend about 30 minutes, 30-minute morning ritual. I just did a 2024 goal planning workshop. There's a link down here in the description. You can see that, and you can check that out. But I talked about the 30-minute morning ritual. So that's the first thing goes in my calendar is God first thing, 30-minute morning ritual, and that's locked in, and I do that on a repeat every single morning at 6 a.m. So the next thing is health, right? I mean, the next thing, family. So any of my family stuff goes in there. So if my daughter is singing at church or something like that, or if she's singing at a gig or is whatever, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all my family stuff. Date night goes on there with my wife. My older daughter, she has something we got to do or whatever. All my family stuff goes in my calendar next. Then health goes in my calendar, working out, 3 to 4 days a week. So I'll put that directly in my calendar first. So I'll put all that stuff on the calendar, typically depending when, either in the evening or in the morning workout. So I'll put that in my calendar. The next thing is then work. All my work stuff, any Zooms I have to be on, any other work meetings I have to be at, like we're doing our annual meeting here on Wednesday and Thursday of this week. So that's a 2-day event, goes in my calendar. I have a standing Tuesday meeting with my team, my other company. So those go in my calendar. That's my work stuff that goes in there. And so when I make my planning, I plan all that around my priorities first that are already in my calendar. Then after that goes everything else. Any type of tasks that need to happen, those go in my calendar next. So for an example, on Sunday night, what I do is I will look at my goals that I have for 2024, and each one of those goals have specific tasks that need to happen in 2024. So what I'll do is take those tasks, and I'm going to put them for the weekly tasks that I want to accomplish, and I typically do this on Sunday evening. So I'll put all the tasks that I want to accomplish for the week, and I ask myself the question, when Friday comes, am I going to feel like this is a highly productive and successful week if I accomplish these things and do these things or whatever? So what I'll do is I'll take all the tasks and I put them in a task list, and what I'll do is I'll take the tasks and I'll put them in my calendar on 15-minute increments. So I have all my priorities and everything in there, and then around that are all the little task things that need to be done. Like, do I need to modify my AdWords campaign? I'm setting up another campaign right now for a different niche that we're going to be launching in 2024. I've got some campaigns we're setting up for my Flip to Freedom business that we're working on. So those are things I can do that go in my calendar. Now, they might take more than 15 minutes. So I'll block, 15, 30, 45 minutes or whatever. I'll block that off of my calendar. So when I operate during the day, I'm operating from my calendar from task to task to task to task, and there is zero white space on my calendar. I have a little bit of margin in there if things come up, or if I have to, a meeting or something, or I have to solve a problem, whatever. So there is margin in my calendar, but most of the time I am going from task to task to task. And you will absolutely be amazed how balanced your life is, number one, especially when your relationships and your family and your mental health, how balanced your relationships will be, number one, or your life will be. Number two is how much stuff you'll still get done. All those like 15-minute tasks, things, 15, 30, 45-minute tasks that you do, they're in your calendar. You're going to look at your calendar, it's going to be packed, and you're going to be able to go, holy cow, and you're going to be knocking off this stuff because you're going to have direction on exactly what needs to happen next. So that's how I operate my calendar. So I plan Sunday night the whole week, right? Or I have my list, and then each night before I go to bed, I plan the next day. So the night before I go to bed, I go, okay, I have all my recurring items in there, like my morning ritual, my family stuff's in there, the gym's in there and stuff like that. But then after that, I'm placing in all the things, items, or tasks I need to do on my calendar the next day. So I plan Sunday, everything I want to do for the week, and I put it on my priority items. And then each night I plan the next day, everything that's going to go on my calendar. So when I wake up, people go, wow, I have a hard time waking up. Well, when I wake up around, 5:30, 6 o'clock, for my morning ritual, typically around 5:30. And so when I get up, I'm on purpose. I know exactly what I have to do for the day. And then what I do is I rate my day based upon, a percentage. Was today 100%? Did I crush it? Was today a 100% day? Was today a 95% day? Oh man, I missed the gym today because I got tied up doing this, that, and the other. Okay, well, that's a 85% day or whatever. So I'll rate my day, and I'm trying to keep in the 90th percentile, for my day, that I crushed and I did what I said I was going to do throughout the day. So, and it literally, you can keep track of all your days, and you have a 90%, 95%, 70%. Now, I don't hit every single day. I'm like, some days suck, and I get caught up in, man, the sun's crazy. I get caught up in stuff or fires you got to put out, just like when you're running multiple businesses, it's like you got these fires you got to put out and stuff. So the bottom line is that some days are great, but I try to keep in the 90th percentile. I'm crushing each and every day, and I'm staying on point, staying on task, and you will have no problem jumping out of bed in the morning, especially if you have big goals you want to accomplish in 2024. So the bottom line is you'll jump out of bed. You want to go out there and crush it. You want to go out there and tackle the day. You want to go out there and hit that 100% for the day, and you hit 100%, boom, 90, 95, 90, 80%. You're going to be getting so much accomplished. You're going to have so much fulfilling. You're going to feel great about what you've done, and it's going to be a phenomenal. You're absolutely going to feel great about what you're doing, because you're making progress and you're making momentum, which is critical for your health and well-being and moving forward in everything you're doing. So I hope this helps. If you do me a favor, if you could like and subscribe, share this video if you could, I greatly appreciate it. And you can watch the video. It should be coming up here next on the it's 2 hours, and it's on the 2024 goal planning workshop. We cover a whole bunch of different things. I think you'll love it. It was great. The comments were amazing on it in the live chat that we did. I actually streamed it live. So go check that out. Hit the like and subscribe. Have a blessed day. Take care. God bless.
I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground and it go off. Yeah, hit the ground and it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think